Hi everyone, we are from Chili Chicken Group. Our group members are Mastura Nazira, Balkis Noarashi, Nurul Najihah, Abir Rami Jagatiswaran, and Puaman Yi. So, our product is homemade chili chicken meatball. We use pure and fresh chicken meat, mashed potato, flour, carrot, fresh milk, black pepper, salt, and cheese. Not to forget white eggs and breadcrumbs to cover the meatball. Why do we choose chicken? As we all know, chicken meat is high in protein and have no religion issue as everyone consume it. We choose to add cheese inside the meatball to deliver dairy products benefit as dairy products such as milk and cheese is high in calcium. We also use pure and fresh chicken meat instead of minced meat to ensure the freshness, quality, and texture of our product to be the boom.
Our homemade cheesy chicken meatball was made with full of love and passion. The product can be stored up to 1 month under a cool temperature. Our product come in frozen, so you need to fry them until it's turned to golden orange in color at about 3 to 4 minutes. Then it's ready to be served on your own way. Our product come in 2 types: covered cheesy chicken meatball and uncovered cheesy chicken meatball. The covered one, you just can serve it after frying, while uncovered one, you can choose either to steam, grill or fry it. You can get 15 pieces of cheesy chicken meatball at 10 ringgit per pack for covered cheesy chicken meatball and 9 ringgit per pack for uncovered meatball. Our meatball available in UMK Campus Chili, Kelantan. So, do great now while stock lasts.